And in advance of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, a novel fundraiser returns to the catwalk.
So this is actually, believe it or not, our 13th year that we've produced the show, and we've brought in over 150 top Canadian designers.
It's a one-of-a-kind fashion show that never disappoints.
This year's white cashmere collection reflected Canada's 4 seasons.
The 13th annual White Cashmere Collection is a breast cancer fundraising and awareness campaign. It features 16 creations by Canadian designers.
Yes, the White Cashmere Collection really unifies Canadian fashion designers, cashmere bathroom tissue for a great cause, the Canadian Breast Cancer Foundation.
Everybody thinks bathroom tissue is really soft and really breakable, but I wanted to also show that it can be really durable and strong.
漂亮的礼服啊，都是加拿大一些年轻设计师用卫生纸做出来的。
They reached out to me and I thought it was a great cause. I was able to do something I love, which is design clothes.
How are we going to take girly rock and roll and turn it into cashmere bathroom tissue extraordinaire?
I have never designed anything out of anything other than a fabric.
On est à Toronto pour le grand dévoilement de la collection Blanc Cachemire 2016 et je suis en compagnie du duo de designers québécois Untitled qui a créé une robe spectaculaire.
Not only can you buy the special packs in October where 25 cents from every pack goes to the CBCF, you can actually go to the Cashmere Facebook page and vote couture for the cure. Every vote, Cougar will donate $1 up to $10,000 in that designer's name.
There's $1 donated to the Canadian Breast Cancer Foundation for every vote. So it's worth doing it every day. Tell your friends and raise some good money, and hopefully we'll have a future without breast cancer.